Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shilpa Arora Sharma and I'm a success manifestation coach. Hoponopono, this magical prayer, if you don't already know, or you know, and if it's not working for you, then I'm making this video for you. And by the end of this video, you would know how to fix your situations in close relationship, business relationships, and money situations, how you can fix all these situations using the magic of Hoponopono correctly. And don't waste your time without knowing the correct way to use it. Watch this video till the end. Often we screw up things and make things bad. Then Hoponopono एक मैजिकल प्रेयर है जिसकी 4 लाइनें बोलने से बहुत सारे बिगड़े हुए काम ठीक हो जाते हैं. The things that we made bad, we can make them right by doing Hoponopono. In single line, the meaning is to make things right. जो मेरे से गलती हो गई या जो मैंने गड़बड़ कर दी मैं उसे ठीक कर दूं by using these 4 magical phrases of Hoponopono. फ्रेजेस क्या है? आई एम सॉरी, प्लीज फॉरगिव मी, थैंक यू, आई लव यू. अब इसमें जादू क्या है? और कुछ लोगों से मैं बात करती हूँ तो पता चलता है उनकी होपोनोपोनो प्रेयर ही काम नहीं कर रही. So I'm making this video for you so that you can do this prayer, where you can apply this prayer, how you do it, and what to do if the Hoponopono is not working for you. All right. So I am a manifestation coach and I use NLPs. So I use NLP on people when their manifestations are not working. क्योंकि 2 चीजें हैं प्रोसेस में. पहला है माइंड एंड दूसरा है सोल. So manifestation is a work of soul and mind is like a monkey mind, jumping monkey mind, which creates a lot of problems when you're manifesting. So what happens is that, let's say as a coach, I put you in a certain frequency, or you do a manifestation technique yourself and you go in a certain frequency, and then your mind starts telling you, ye real thodi hai, this is not real, come out of it, this is all bullshit. And your mind will tell you all these things, or someone will come and say something to you, or you will go in resentment, fights, then you will lose your manifestation zone. So this mind makes you slip out of your manifestations. Hence, it's important to work on your mind. Now, this prayer, Hoponopono, what it does is that it works on your mind in a way that, it just starts getting aligned with the frequency of peace, forgiveness, and compassion and gratitude. इसके अंदर ये 4 चीजें हैं. And before I tell you more, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video and share this with the people who are trying to fix things, जैसे कि relationship है, money problems है, जो ये सब चीजें fix करना चाहते हैं और नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, then you can use this Hoponopono prayer. या फिर you're already using the Hoponopono prayer, लेकिन कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा, then this video is for you. Okay? So let's start. So Hoponopono, 4 phrases. I'm sorry, please forgive me. It's about, forgiveness, and it changes the frequency of your heart, right? Because you're asking for forgiveness. अब इसमें कुछ लोग बोलेंगे, why should I say sorry? उसको बोलना चाहिए sorry, उसको लेनी चाहिए forgiveness मुझसे, right? If you are in this zone, तो Hoponopono prayer आपके लिए काम नहीं करेगी. Okay? So you have to really change your attitude and do the prayer as it is. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. And now if the prayer is not working for you, then these are the 5 steps which you should take care of so that the prayer starts working for you. क्योंकि ये prayer इतनी powerful है, if 2 people had a fight, let's say 2 people went into some kind of fight and they're not talking to each other. They could be in a relationship, lovers, business partners, or any kind of association. Then you can do this prayer for that particular person and the relationship bond will fix. So in a way, it's a kind of manifestation where you are just working on your energy and things are getting fixed in the environment. However, I give other manifestation techniques also, but for that you have to get one-to-one with me. But if you're not doing that, you can do Hoponopono, simple way, and see the magic of this. All right. So 5 प्रॉब्लम्स हो सकती हैं और या 5 तरीके हो सकते हैं कि यू कैन डू योर होपोनोपोनो प्रेयर इन अ राइट वे। फर्स्ट इज चेक योर इमोशनल कनेक्शन। जैसे अभी मैंने बात की, आर यू लाइक रियली इमोशनली अलाइंड टू आस्क फॉर फॉरगिवनेस, या अभी इतना गुस्सा है अपने अंदर कि यू थिंक कि मैं क्यों सॉरी बोलूं। बट जस्ट रिमेंबर, you are not going and saying sorry to that person in real. You are doing this inside you. All right? और कोई देखने तो आ नहीं रहा है. So you have to really not think of your ego कि मैंने क्यों sorry बोलना है. Right? You are just doing it inside. Let's say मेरी किसी से लड़ाई हो गई, किसका नाम लो, मैं XYZ कोई पर्सन है, मेरा बिजनेस से रिलेटेड है, उसकी मेरी लड़ाई हो गई, हमने एक डिसीजन लेना था एंड आई डिड नॉट एग्री, ही डिड नॉट एग्री एंड वी हैड अ फाइट एंड वी आर नॉट टॉकिंग टू ईच अदर. नाउ आई टेक इन माई माइंड, आई मे बी हैविंग अ लॉट ऑफ ईगो. यू नो, ये एग्जाम्पल मैंने इसलिए लिया है, यहाँ पे बहुत ईगो आती है. हस्बैंड वाइफ में भी बहुत ईगो आती है, बट मैं अब उससे रिलेट नहीं करती बिकॉज आई हैव पास दैट फेज. सो आई एम टेकिंग एन एग्जाम्पल जहाँ पे मेरी ईगो बहुत ज्यादा आती है कि मैं क्यों सॉरी बोलूँ. Now I'll take it literally and I'll say, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. You know, I love you in the sense that as a generic way that you really love the person, that what the person is bringing in the business as a contribution or whatever. So, you know, I'm repeating this again and again in myself. And this is, I have to really feel it, get deep into it, and really, really mean it. Because I can't lie to myself. I may lie to the whole world, but I can't lie to myself. So I have to be really, really honest with myself when I'm doing this prayer. All right, this prayer can also be done for money. For example, मुझे लग रहा है money मेरे से नाराज है, money मेरे पास ठीक से नहीं आ रहा है, then I can also do this prayer for money. Okay, now, second is identify your blockages. There may be times that you're trying to feel it deep, but maybe in the past you had similar issues with some other person and they always present themselves. You know, it happens कि यहाँ पर कुछ actually बात नहीं हुई है, but because of my past experience, I get in that zone. यहाँ fear that यहाँ पर भी वही चीज हो सकती है. So identify those blockages, those fears which are coming from past experience and tell yourself, you know, this is a different scenario. That was a different scenario. Here, it is nothing like that. So you really have to do it. Then the third important and a very, very, very important aspect of Ho'oponopono and even any manifestation technique is consistency. आज किया, कल नहीं किया, आज सिर्फ 2 बार किया, फिर कल 100 बार किया, परसों नहीं किया. I mean, hello, don't expect anything because it's deep work and it's really serious. You really, really have to work hard on yourself. You can't do this. And also, the manifestation techniques don't work if you're not consistent. And Ho'oponopono is on similar lines. It's a manifestation of repairing your damaged relationships. So you have to be very, very, very consistent with it. Got it? So if you're not consistent, then you must stay. And if it's difficult to stay consistent on your own, which is very likely happening with a lot of people, then come join a community. I have a community which offers hand-holding, and you join me as a coach. We offer you hand-holding so that you are consistent. Now, the next is, which deepens your Ho'oponopono, is if you add visualization. That is the fourth point. Combine Ho'oponopono with visualization. You really visualize that things are fine and things are healed. And the magic of this is that even if you have not spoken to the person, and let's say I have a fight with my husband and I do Ho'oponopono for him. And, I go and talk to him after an hour, then I find him fine, and because all that is released, it's my manifestation. I did Ho'oponopono with him inside me. It healed the bond, it healed the tension, released that negative energy, and we're just fine again. So really, when I add visualization in that, it really deepens the effect of Ho'oponopono. And the last thing is shift focus. Focus from external to internal, right? I do first. I take full responsibility. The focus is on me. The focus is not on the other party. Focus is not on that person who did something which I didn't like. Focus is on me, entirely on me. And once you shift this focus that I am doing this, I'm the one who's taking responsibility, things change. And the magic of Ho'oponopono begins to appear. All right. So ये वीडियो पूरा यहाँ तक अगर आपने देखा है, then you are just the right kind of fit for manifestations, because manifestation techniques are magical indeed, because the results वैसे ही हैं. Reality से तो मतलब the results are really they look like magical. But why is because these are the subtleties, ये छोटे changes internal energy के बहुत important है. And if you can understand these small shifts, then you are the right person to do the manifestations. Get ready for the magic. All right, then stay tuned and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye-bye.